Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I already kind of did a part one on how to make a card, a quick card. I got through with it and I thought, I think I want to change it. So I thought I'd come back and share with you what I did. All I did was grab a couple of these journaling cards from an American Crafts pack that I got at Tuesday morning, and it was regularly $4.99 for $1.99. So you think about it, a couple of cents more, I added 3 cards. So I lifted everything up carefully using my little handy dandy Creative Memories tool, which I highly recommend. It is fantastic. I threw down the larger one and put a smaller one over it, just to kind of give it, just to darken up the card a little bit. This card base and the card kit itself is very pastel-like, which is wonderful, but it wasn't exactly what I was looking for. And then I grabbed another one for the inside, and they all have something on them. So, for instance, like, well, let me show you as an example. They have something like that or that on it. So that's why I doubled up this particular one, because it had something there and I didn't want that to show. So I put that extra, which I really love the extra color. Unfortunately, the colors, they don't have the exact same colors as the college, but that's okay. And then the same thing here. It had something in the middle of it. I was able to cover. Oh no, this one did not. It was just striped. So I was able to just do this one the way I wanted to. And it's basically the same layout, but look how different it changed up that card. So if you want to see how this one is made, go back and look at the first video of making a very quick and easy graduation card. And then you can come back and see how I changed it up just a wee little bit. So, alright friends, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. This is Easy Peasy Card Making Part 2, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. And thank you so much for being here. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video if it would encourage somebody else. And I will be talking to y'all soon. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.